Are you looking for a new home in the Nokomis, Florida area? Well, look no further than Magnolia Bay by Meritage Homes. Meritage Homes specializes in making energy efficient homes that will save you money on your utility bills. It's located between Venice and Sarasota and near I-75. Magnolia Bay is conveniently located and close to everything you need. It's only a short drive to the brand new Sarasota Memorial Hospital, great schools, grocery shopping, and beautiful beaches. Magnolia Bay offers 3 series of floor plans to suit your family's needs. The Premier Series features smaller homes perfect for a starter family or one downsizing. The Classic Series offers medium-sized homes, great for families who need a little more space. And then finally, the Reserve Series features larger homes perfect for families who need room to grow. Pricing has not yet been revealed, but if you sign up for the VIP list, you'll be among the first to know when pricing is released. The builder would like buyers to stay all in the low 300s starting out. Don't forget about the amazing amenities that Magnolia Bay has to offer. There will be 2 clubhouses with pools, sport courts, and a fitness center. Remember, when you purchase your new home through Venice Realty, you can qualify for up to a 2% rebate back at closing. That's $6,000 to $10,000 or more back in your pocket. Just make sure to use Venice Realty as your broker when you purchase your new home. For more information on Magnolia Bay, including distances to points of interest and links to the builder's website, visit Venice Realty's community page for Magnolia Bay. And don't forget to sign up for the VIP list through Venice Realty to get the latest information on pricing and availability. Don't wait. Your dream home at Magnolia Bay awaits. Contact Venice Realty today to schedule a showing and see for yourself why Magnolia Bay is the perfect place to call home.